Hi guys, it's Lily. Welcome to my studio once again. Today I'm working on rearranging my living room. I've added quite a few plants and I had to redo, I switched this, what do you call it, a wood sideboard. I switched sides of my apartment with the sofa, so I moved the sofa over here and put the sideboard over there. So I needed to rearrange my art, and what I decided to do was go ahead and put this big giant painting above the sideboard, and I'm going to hang these two paintings right here next to it up there and under here. And I have a dilemma, is that I don't have two canvases this size, and I would like to put one there and one there that are both the same size to have it symmetrical. Let me see if I can get back far enough. So that would be symmetrical. And I have this big yellow painting that I had that was above the sofa when the sofa was on the other side. So I need a painting for there. And what I thought is see this botanical? I think it kind of looks like a deconstructed lily. So because I have blues going on over here and here, I thought I would do two large paintings like this to place on either side of my windows. So I'm going to do one for there and one for there. And I think it's going to look nice. Here, let's see if I can get this to work. I think these colors are going to work well because they have these colors that also match my tablecloth there. See, so there's some oranges in there and whatnot. So that's what I'm going to do. You know, I haven't seen you guys in a long time. I haven't been painting. I've been painting with my brother. Some of you who have watched my last video, my brother had brain surgery and neck surgery. And I learned a lot while teaching him. So stay tuned, you guys. I'm going to work on this big canvas. It's the biggest one that I have. So I'm going to do two of those. And I'm going to use this as my reference. I looked around on Pinterest boards to see, because I was hanging my paintings, it was a total wreck in here, because I just hang them to look at them and study them. I don't really hang them usually to have a beautiful front room. And I have been starting a bunch of plants, and it's all Jenna Marble's fault. She is absolutely a genius. She started doing her plants and she knows the name of every single plant. I'm like, okay, these go in a dark spot, these go in a sunny spot, and whatever's in between. So these are, all I know is these are low light plants and these are medium light plants. These are, I'm starting these in a jar. Cuttings from my sister. This is ivy. We don't know what this is, but I love this pot right here. I think this pot is so awesome. So, and then I have, let's see if I can get it to do this, some mint. I'm starting an avocado that I really don't want. I just want to see if I could start it. I'm starting it in that bowl right there. Let's see. And I'm again starting some garlic. Can't really tell. And I started my balcony with flowers again. I have Weeping Jennifer, and I have the polka dot plant here, and that's one from the inside that fell off. And then again I have some lavender that I wasn't crazy about because it doesn't even produce aroma. And over here I have more Weeping Jennifer, and this is all going to cascade over the railing so that it will look really awesome from the curb. And I think that's lobelia, or I'm not sure, but it's blue. But all this is going to cascade over the side of my balcony, and I'm hoping it will inspire my neighbors to deck out their balconies and have a really beautiful curb appeal for our apartments. So coming back in from the balcony is the mess that is my studio. I had to turn it another way because I can't paint because I lost my tree in Hurricane Florence. And when I try to put up my canvas with the window behind it, the light shines through the canvas and you guys wouldn't be able to see what I was painting. So now I have a dilemma and a mess back here, and I don't know how to organize it. So I'm going to keep working on it. So listen, look out for my video that I'm going to do, this painting, and there's going to be a diptych, 2 paintings that hopefully will be inspired by this one. Thanks, guys. Please subscribe, keep watching, and be good to yourself.